right, so we are 4 days away from our cruise. We have 4 days. I'm very excited, as you can tell. We're going on Navigator of the Seas. We're going to California. California. It's time to party. California. Okay, but that is not what this video is about. It's not about me singing or the lack thereof. So what we're going to talk about is things we ordered from like Amazon and other places to go on our cruise with us to ensure that we have a good time. Cue the music. All right, guys, first things first, documentation. You want to make sure you have your documentation. Depending on where you're going, you're probably going to need a passport. All right, so we ordered these from Amazon. They're just, passport holders, but they're really nice colors. Of course, that one is his, and this one is mine. Nice, bright, make you feel like you're on vacation type of color. And I like it because it allows room for your vaccine card, your passport, and then in the back here, you can put your documentation for your COVID status. So what we do is just easy. We just pull these out. These will definitely fit in your pocket, like your back pocket, not the front, guys, but just easy, easy peasy. All right, next is gonna be these bladeless, they call them neck coolers. That's what it says. But I went on Amazon and I was just looking for wireless fans. Wireless fans. So these came up and the color, I don't like this green color, but that wasn't the purpose of it. The purpose was for me to stay cool while we were in Florida because we went on Symphony of the Seas during the summer and it was so hot. This definitely worked, but as you can see here, that it has a charger to it. So what you would do is just make sure that these are charged before you take them with you. They are a little bit bulky, but they did do the job. Sometimes that summer heat cannot compete, or these fans can't compete with the summer heat, but it did work. They come in white, black, and green, and I think it was going to take too long for us to get the other colors, the white and the black, so I just went ahead and ordered the green. But it's definitely a good find depending on where you're going to go, and all you do is 3 different speeds. Let's see if I can find yep, right there. See, 3 different speeds, and I can feel the air get higher and higher. All right, so that was definitely a great find. And I just have it as a stash. So when I want something, I can just get up out of bed, go get my coconut cookies, have me a water or something to drink, and I'm good. All right, so we have the Hawaiian punch, and then we also have the French vanilla creamer. Sometimes the creamer on the boat is not the best unless you go to Starbucks. And like I was telling you all, Starbucks is not included in the coffee card. So if you get the coffee card, if you purchase that, Starbucks is not included. As a matter of fact, I was told Starbucks is not included in any of the packages. It's separate no matter what you purchase. So I did notice that on the in the suite, we do get coffee there. There is a coffee maker in the room. And I'm just going to have my own creamer just in case, because I like for it to be sweet and I'm not really sure if they have this brand. As far as the Hawaiian punch, we take these and we also use the Crystal Light. I'm out of Crystal Light right now, but sometimes just drinking a lot of soda and sometimes the juice or the lemonade that's on the boat, it's just not as tasty. So we just take these to have other options. And it's really small. You don't have to take all of these. I take like 2 a day because I want to make sure that we get our water in and make sure that we stay hydrated. Last but not least, and I'm sure you have both of these, it's going to be a cute little fedora or some sort of sun hat and some shades or sunglasses. So, when you're on vacation, listen, you're going to have several hundred photo opportunities. You need to look good. You need to be looking fly. You need to be looking your best. I mean, you're going to relax, but listen, you cannot relax without your shades or your sunglasses. So I accidentally left mine last time we were on vacation. I left them home and I thought, well, it'll be okay. But baby, that sun was shining so bright and I was thinking, I just need my sunglasses. I just need my shades. And then this cute little fedora that I had on at the beginning of the video, I found on Amazon. Now, I have a big head and apparently I can't wear regular hats. And with the braids that I have on, it causes a whole nother problem. But with this hat, it actually helps. It's loose here. It's a little looser here. So I'm able to kind of push it down some. So it actually helps. And I love the hat. I think it's cute. Got the shades and the sunglasses to go with them. So I am ready for vacation. So you're definitely going to see these in some of the videos that I'm going to do on board and some of the pictures. So until then, happy cruising.